Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new code to your chart of accounts on Bokio accounting software. To access chart of accounts, we actually need to go to settings section, and under accounting section there is subsection called chart of accounts. Click on it. So we can create new account by clicking here. So click on create new account, connect this account to and select where. So for example, sales. And now from drop down list you can select where you want to create this code. In my case, I will create under sales, and account numbers available under sales are listed below. So select one which is available, and in my case this will be sales and for example books. Once you have filled in details, there is account properties, so it's in profit and loss code, income and sales, and it's also VAT mapping if you are VAT registered business, and click save. So now if I scroll till codes 4000 starting, I can see my sales books here, and it is custom account. To amend details, I can click on this code and I can select account where it needs to be mapped, and I can amend title. I cannot change any other information here. Another way to actually how we can create a new code is, for example, click on this sales pro code and click copy account. Now it will be connected to 4000 group, and under that one I have another available called 4002, and it will be called as a sales and candles in my case, and click save. So now if I search by 4002, there is sales candles, and 4001 is my sales books. So in this episode I showed you how you can add a new code or copy code if you wish to add to your chart of accounts on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.